Good morning, good morning, everyone. This is your AI acronym individual giving you a knowledge or food for our brain. So our topic is all about polygons. Excuse me. Polygons are closed figure. Okay. A polygon with three sides is called triangle. Actually, there are three: isosceles, scalene, and equilateral triangle. Four, quadrilateral. We call that four sides quadrilateral, including square, rectangle, rhombus, and parallelogram. And five is pentagon. Six is a hexagon. Seven is heptagon. Eight is octagon. Nine is nonagon. And 10 is decagon, 11 is endecagon, and 12 is the decagon. Actually, this is geometry. Okay, so remember, polygons are closed figure. Let us try to give you, remember this one. For those who are at their house during this summer, you can, pag napadaan yung aking YouTube channel, pwede nyo po silang, makakapulot kayo ng kaalaman. So, again, I will repeat, polygons are closed figure. Three triangle, four quadrilaterals, five pentagon. You have a clue, pentagon from five, six hexagon, seven heptagon, and eight octagon, nine nonagon from the word nine, and 10 decagon. That's why from the decade, and 11 is undecagon, and 12 is dodecagon. So I'm gonna give you exercises. We're going to draw a figure, okay? And then tell to me what polygons it is. Are you ready? After this, I will draw probably five geometry and then try to identify what kind of polygons are they. Would you like to try? So, to all my 150 subscribers, I just want to thank you for subscribing in my YouTube channel. And this is your servant giving you a verse a day, giving you information, knowledge about science, mathematics, and English, as long as my brain. And sometimes education is it's not just in school. Education is also through using the platform of this media, YouTube channel, okay? Alam ko hindi naman po ako sisikat sa ganito lang. Hindi, it doesn't matter po. Hindi ka sisikat kung hindi ka magpapakita ng iyong flesh. But that's not my cup of tea. Once again, this is your AI, acronym individual, saying, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. God bless us all. To God be the glory. And do not forget, do an act of kindness every day. God bless you.